What we are calling on the UK government and our Prime Minister Keir Starmer is to stop the training of militias from Uganda. Because when they are trained in the UK, when they go back to Uganda, the UK has got no hand on them when they behave. And that's why when they go back, they are the officers in the army, they are the commanders in the army, and they are commanding their juniors to torture Ugandans through rape and sodomization. We have to say enough is enough. We have a lot of foreigners in this country because of the UK police around the world. They support the brutal dictators around the world, including Museveni of Uganda. A brutal dictator, I repeat, who has been in power for more than 42 years. That cannot be democracy. 42 years in power does not represent democracy anywhere in the world. No human rights. And £1 billion on top of that goes to Uganda every year. And UK, you want to say that you are not facilitating our suffering? You are enabling the long. You are conniving with this man, a monster. You talk about security. If Africa is not safe, UK will not be safe. Because all those foreigners will be flooding the UK. And those criminals who are some of them coming here, some of them are criminals. But they'll get through the loophole. Because when the war comes, the war does not differentiate a criminal, a rapist, and a real person who is running away because of fear of persecution. And this is what we are facing. The only way to stop this, the only way to stop immigrants coming here is to stop funding the brutal dictators around the world, like Museveni of Uganda. People